Okay, hold up. You mean to tell me you actually believe that a field goal could be deflected by the Coriolis effect? Alright, let's do that. So the scientists like Neil deGrasse, they will actually tell you that the winning field goal of the Super Bowl was deflected by the Coriolis. They claim with a little bit of calculation, they came to the conclusion that the winning field goal was deflected by 3.5 millimeters. Yeah, that's right. These people really expect you to believe that the Earth rotated 3.5 millimeters beneath this ball. They claim that the Earth rotates at 1,000 miles an hour, which is 1,466 feet per second, which is roughly the speed of a 9mm bullet. As here that a good kickoff in the NFL has a hang time of between 4.4 and 4.7 seconds. At 1,466 feet per second for 4.4 seconds, that would be roughly 6,450 feet. But the Earth only turned 3.5 millimeters underneath this ball. Because that makes sense. And I know, Globe people, I know you were going to say that the Earth only turned 3.5 millimeters beneath this ball because inertia. We know your excuses, we just choose to not believe them. And please do not even try to use the excuse that field goals do not spend as much time in the air as a kickoff. If this ball only spent 1 second in the air, the Earth would have still turned 1,466 feet, not 3.5 millimeters. It gets worse than that. These people will actually claim the closer you are to the poles, the stronger the deflection, even though the closer you get to the poles, the slower the Earth allegedly rotates. Less rotation, stronger deflection. Yeah, that makes about as much sense as the rest of the globe model. We'll go on to tell you that this deflection only works in a north to south facing stadium. They say that in stadiums oriented north to south, the ball will deflect to the right. I'm going to ask you to think about this statement. Simply being in a north-south facing stadium does not automatically mean the ball is going to go to the right. Just think about it. If you are in a north-south facing stadium and you are facing south and you kick the ball, the Earth is going to turn from your right to your left. And if you were in that same exact stadium facing north, the Earth is going to turn from your left to your right. These people with the straight face will tell you that anywhere in the northern hemisphere, the objects are going to be deflected to the right, and anywhere in the southern hemisphere, they're going to be deflected to the left. Thought these people were supposed to be smart, and yet somehow they lack the intelligence necessary to understand that the direction you're facing matters far more than the hemisphere that you're in. You could be in the southern hemisphere facing north, and the Earth is going to turn from your left to your right. And if you're facing south in the southern hemisphere, the Earth is going to rotate from your right to your left. Yeah, it's time to wake up. Wakey wakey. I love ya.